test of our 2013 13 plate Golf 2 litre TDI GT BlueMotion tech. We've got 99,300 miles on the clock. Just giving it a little run just to make sure that everything's working all okay and driving as it should. And it does. It drives very nicely indeed, lovely and smooth. Lovely slick 6-speed gearbox. No warning lights up on the dash. Drives like a Golf and a VW would, and as you would expect, even with 99,000 miles, it's just running really. It's still got bags of life in it, particularly this one. History and pedigree, as ever, are impeccable. It's only a 2-owner car. Last owner being a lady, has had it since 2018. We've got full service history for it. We've got 11 stamps in the book, which is a mixture of a few of the early stamps were VW main dealer, and then it follows with a VW specialist. I think they're called VW, based over Leicester Way. So it's been looked after really well. Campbell record in 2018 at 62,000 miles. That's ticked in the book. We've got 2 remote keys for it as well. It's a really, really nice car, this. It's got great spec on it. GTs are pretty well spec'd anyway, in fairness, but it's got front and rear sensors. You've got all your touchscreen with your DAB, sat nav, Bluetooth and so forth. It's got a brand new set of 18-inch black and polished alloy wheels on it, and a brand new pair of tyres on the front as well. So tyres are all good, in great condition, great to go. The wheels look really smart, very similar to what VW put on. The original alloys were a little bit scuffed, and well, they weren't scuffed, but the faces had just corroded and were really not looking great. So we've sourced a brand new set of specific offset and fitting wheels for it, so they're all on it and looking really smart. But overall, the spec on it is excellent. You've got obviously your aircon. It's got all the auto hold with the electronic parking brake. So ticks all the boxes. Pedigree impeccable. Condition is very good for its age and mileage. It's a really tidy little car. Lots of information up on the website about it, plus videos and photographs and so forth. But if there is any additional information that you would like on the car, or our home delivery service using our own in-house vehicle delivery, delivery vehicle I should say, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.